I had a technician come up one time and say, Pete, why don't we use tri-dye for bald-faced hornet nests? We're power spraying. We're making a mess all over these people's houses. Why don't we just shoot tri-dye in there, clip it, and be done with it? And I was like, okay. So one summer we tried it, and it was a giant success for us.
Right.
So, so there's, I am always, once again, I had another employee, Chris, my director of operations. He said, Pete, why aren't we using backpacks? Why are we using these big power sprayers and dragging hoses through people's dog poop in their yards and stuff and breaking little light fixtures? Why don't we go with backpack sprayers? And I started thinking to myself as a business owner, a new hose on a power spray is $400. Well, I can get a flow zone for $400,
Yep.
right? Or close to that, right?
Yeah.
So to me, it made complete sense. So now we're in the process. We're in what about a 5-year period where we're slowly switching out and getting rid of all our sprayers and going back.
It was funny because I do a lot of teaching over at the extension center, a cooperative extension center.